Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Civic 2022 Plus may display DTC codes P0970 and P0971 related to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve. DTC P0970 indicates a low circuit signal to the solenoid, meaning the transmission control module, TCM, is not detecting adequate current flow when commanded on. DTC P0971 signifies a high circuit signal, which implies an overcurrent situation. The CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve is crucial for controlling the pressure applied to the clutch in the continuously variable transmission CVT system, facilitating smooth gear transitions. The location of this component is integrated within the valve body assembly, which is situated in the transmission housing. Understanding these codes is vital for diagnosing transmission issues effectively and restoring optimal vehicle performance. DTC P0970 relates to a low signal detection in the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve. This means the TCM, which is critical in regulating transmission fluid pressure based on driving demands, cannot sense the expected current flow. Conversely, DTC P0971 indicates the presence of an excessively high current flow, suggesting a potential short circuit or malfunction within the solenoid. When the TCM detects either of these abnormal conditions while the solenoid is commanded on, it triggers the respective DTC. The solenoid itself is part of the CVT assembly located within the valve body, playing a pivotal role in ensuring proper clutch engagement and disengagement for smooth driving. The successful functioning of this solenoid is vital for the overall health of the transmission system. The potential causes for the DTC P0970 and P0971 primarily include issues in the external circuit related to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve. A faulty TCM can also trigger these DTCs if it fails to correctly interpret the circuit signals. Furthermore, a malfunctioning CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve itself can directly result in incorrect pressure modulation, activating these DTCs. It is also essential to consider wiring problems, as damaged or corroded wires can disrupt the flow of electricity to the solenoid. Each of these components plays a pivotal role in the function of the transmission, and diagnosing them correctly is crucial to mitigate further transmission complications. Drivers experiencing DTC P0970 or P0971 may notice several notable symptoms. Transmission operation issues can manifest as rough or inconsistent shifting, making the vehicle's drive feel uncomfortable and unpredictable. Unusual gear shift behavior, such as late or early shifts, is a common symptom that suggests the solenoid's inability to operate correctly. These abnormalities can lead to decreased fuel efficiency due to the transmission not operating at optimal capacity. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential mechanical or electrical issue. Understanding these symptoms is critical for timely diagnostics and repairs to avoid further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0970 and P0971 involves starting the engine and waiting for at least 1 second. This duration allows the TCM to properly initiate its diagnostics. It is then important to check the connections of the transmission control module and the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve to ensure they are securely connected without any signs of corrosion or damage. Physically inspecting the wiring harness and connectors is crucial because any visible wear or physical damage might result in poor electrical conductivity. Electrical components must be verified before proceeding to further diagnostics to ensure no additional issues are overlooked. The second step focuses on assessing the CPCLS circuit, which involves the pressure control solenoid. specific resistance measurements must be taken to verify normal circuit conditions. During this step, the focus is on confirming that the connector for the solenoid valve and the TCM are disconnected to avoid erroneous readings. Resistance across the CPCLS should show less than 1 ohm when the circuit is intact. It's equally crucial to check for open circuits and short circuits. Inspecting wires for physical abrasions or breaks can reveal hidden problems that could be impacting the solenoid's operation. Ensuring these circuits are intact is vital for resolving the underlying issues represented by the DTCs. In the third step, inspecting the operation of the transmission control module is paramount to determining the root cause of the DTCs. For this, first, disconnect the TCM 50P connector and ensure the internal circuit is checked for continuity. The ideal resistance measurement across the solenoid's internal circuit should fall between 4.7 and 5.9 ohms. Anything outside of this range can indicate a fault in the TCM. After performing this test, the results will reveal whether the issue lies within the TCM itself or if further investigation into related components is necessary. The successful diagnosis of the TCM is crucial to circulatory management within the transmission system. The fourth and final troubleshooting step requires testing the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve directly if earlier inspections have indicated normal conditions in other components. This will involve evaluating the solenoid's operational status, specifically looking for normal function when commanded by the TCM. If the solenoid fails to operate as expected, it is likely the source of the DTCs, necessitating its replacement. Understanding that the solenoid's malfunction could lead to larger transmission issues emphasizes the need for swift action. Properly diagnosing the valve is essential to restoring proper transmission functionality and ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. After performing repairs related to DTC P0970 and P0971, the final verification process is essential. Begin by using a diagnostic tool to clear the stored DTCs from the TCM. This step resets the system and allows for accurate monitoring of the vehicle post-repair. Next, it is important to conduct a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates normally without returning any error codes. Monitoring the driver experience is key to confirming that all shift patterns and transmission functions perform smoothly. This final step gives confidence that the underlying issues have been addressed and the vehicle is safe to resume regular use. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0970 and P0971. Regular inspections of the entire transmission system can help identify potential weaknesses or failures before they develop into major issues. It is equally important to ensure that transmission fluid levels are clean and at the appropriate levels. Dirty or insufficient fluid can lead to reduced functionality. Check the integrity of all connectors involved in the transmission control system periodically. Ensuring that these preventive measures are taken will significantly enhance the longevity of the CVT system and its associated components, thus maintaining optimal vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P0970 and P0971 is vital for Honda Civic 2022 Plus owners and technicians alike. Systematic troubleshooting ensures that potential issues are accurately identified and resolved, leveraging a step-by-step approach to diagnosis. The importance of preventative maintenance cannot be overstated, as it greatly reduces the risk of recurring problems with the CVT system. By regularly inspecting and maintaining the transmission componentry, drivers can enjoy a reliable driving experience. Overall, Effective management of these diagnostic trouble codes ensures the longevity and performance of the Honda Civic's transmission. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.